So I'm gonna go to, hey guys, so I'm gonna go to my room, and I saw by the title, I'm doing a slime video. I'm gonna play with my slime, see if it can succeed. Okay, I hate this lighting. I'm gonna turn on my light. That's some good lighting. There we go. So I'm gonna grab some of my slime, and I am planning on doing Gacha Life. If you guys haven't played it, you're more than welcome to it. You can do anything, legit anything. Take these two. Get these made. And I made these a few days ago. So I don't know if I'm gonna sit for a little while. I'm gonna see if the consistency is good. I need to take a shower in a little bit, so I'm trying to hurry up and do this. I'm gonna go turn on the light and see if I can. I'm back. Scoot tape. So the first one is like unicorn slime. I hope it doesn't get stuck under my nails. So if you tried. I added some stuff to it, so it's like sticky. I hate when slime sticks to me. Comment down below if you hate that. Say hashtag I hate it. And if we get up to maybe 100 likes, I'll do a different video. I'm gonna let this one sit for a little while longer. Now it's time for this one. I don't know why I made this, but it smells so good. So this is stuff that my stepmom gave me. It's the stuff that makes like your slime smell like lavender. Mine smells like lavender. Like if you guys were here to smell it, it has a good consistency. It's like putty. It's not slime. So on to the next one. If you want, I'll take you with me. Go get me some more stuff to add to it. Alrighty. So I got some new animals. So right here, my stuff for slime. You can't really see it, but who cares? I'm just gonna grab some glitter. Well, glue actually, and gold glitter. Where's the other glitter I grabbed? Here it is. Okay, let's go. Oh, I have a Mexican walking fish now. Mexican walking fish. Oh, this is my new room design. It's uniform. I haven't got a floor yet, but it's because it just got remodeled. Can see me. I think you can see me pretty well. So, yep, it's glue again. So, mine was glue. I'm gonna go with a spoon. I'll be right back. And, okay, whatever. One sec. and my nails did. We went to a professional. I know I seem bratty, but I just wanted my nails painted, and I got that. And I've always wanted my hair dyed this color. And it's actually bleached. My dad watching TV doesn't know I'm making this. As long as I don't really say my name. Well, not my actual name, but my name. He said I'm fine. What? So there's this new Vine that's out. You know, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see if I can try and show you what I'm doing. Hopefully it don't fall. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Oh. One second, please. Get off. So, let me wipe my hands off. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay, look. I'm gonna be in serious trouble. So I'll just show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna end it because I'll be in serious trouble. So, just gonna hold it. Starting to turn this pretty typical. So I'm gonna end it here. I want you to push the subscribe button down below and the like button. And I'll put my Roblox. I'll put my Roblox name right here, right there, and I will try and edit some of this crap. But there's some good lighting. Nope. There we go. And I'll put my TikTok, my Gotcha Love character, my TikTok, and my Roblox name, so yeah, I can add all you guys. But I can't accept all of you, so don't be mad if I don't accept you, okay? See you guys next time. Bye. I'm gonna do my little intro. Bye. Okay, bye. I'm being super cringy.